Shalom Family, thank you for tuning in to Country Living in the City. I'm out here early in the morning in the gardens, getting ready to water. Why do I water in the morning? Because you want your ground to be moist and the roots to be able to uptake nutrients during the mornings, because in the heat of the day around noon, um, when it's the hottest, and today it's going to be like 91 degrees, you want your ground to be moist to be able to sustain through that time frame where the sun is the highest. Now, if you water during that time, the water literally is going to evaporate before it's able to do anything for those roots. So your purpose is to get the water to the roots. So they're able to uptake the nutrients from the fertilizers and other things from nature, or what's in the compost that you use to plant it in. But if you water uh, at night you set up your plant for funguses, and you set them up for different bugs to eat them alive. You don't want uh, your your soil to be over, and then there's no help to dry up the water, so a lot of your fruits will end up with blossom rot because of the lack of nutrition, because of many of the roots have rotted underneath the plant because you watered at the wrong time. So that's my quick tip for your beginning gardeners. Always water early in the morning before everything. Oh, and another tip: don't water the foliage, which I mean by that, the leaves. You water next to the root of your vegetables, and that's where you soak the soil. You don't mess with the foliage, because you really don't. I mean, God's going to let it rain on there. It'll get clean that way. But I try not to water it. I just water the roots of the vegetables, because the foliage, like I said, you'll scorch your plant. A lot of times if you just spray the water on the plants. So that's my tips for today. I hope you guys have a good and prosperous day and a beautiful harvest this year. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other, eating foods from